Hey guys, this is Daniel from Super 73 here in Amsterdam. Today we're going to take you through the removal and installation of the torque sensor. Let's go through the tools and products you need for this operation. You'll need a plier, a 15-inch wrench, Allen key to extract your crank bolts, a crank remover, a bottom bracket remover, 2 metal pipes, contact cleaner, degreaser, acid-free Vaseline and anti-seize grease. Use the plier to remove all the zip ties. Be aware not to damage the torque sensor wire. Also, unplug the torque sensor. Unlock the derailleur and remove your chain from the front ring. After removing the pedals, use your Allen key to untighten and extract the crank bolts on the right side of the bike. Use a pipe on the left side of the bike to lock your crank arm. Be sure to put a cloth in the pipe to avoid damaging the crank arm. Use your crank extractor to extract the crank on the right side of the bike. Place your bottom bracket removal tool securely on the lock ring and use a pipe for extra leverage. Using the Allen key, remove the left side crank bolt. Now extract the crank arm with your crank extractor. Now start removing the right side cup using your hands or a hammer. Make sure you hold the sensor on the left side of the bike to avoid the thread spinning around the bottom bracket. Remove the cup securely to avoid losing the 2 springs sitting inside the cup. Remove the torque sensor securely, guiding the wire through the hole located on the bottom of your bottom bracket. Time now to remove the cup on the left side. Same here, use your hands or a hammer to untighten. Be sure not to lose the spring washer located inside of the cup. Give your bottom bracket a proper clean. Take away all dust, all rust, all mud by using air compressor, degreaser and a cloth. Clean your torque sensor with contact spray, meant only for electronic components. Before reinstalling the torque sensor, make sure you grease the thread of your bottom bracket on both sides. Please use acid-free Vaseline. Start greasing up the torque sensor with the same acid-free Vaseline. Insert the sensor on the right side of the bike, guiding the wire through the little hole on the bottom bracket. Grease up the right cup and start installing it. Don't forget to place the 2 washers. Time now to place the left crank arm. Place the left crank arm and start tightening the crank bolt with your Allen key. Place the pipe on the left crank arm using a protection cloth, and time now to put the chainring on the other side. Tighten the lock ring securely, turning counterclockwise. Use the crank tool to tighten securely. Place your right crank arm and tighten securely with your Allen key. Re-grease and place the pedals on both sides. Put the chain on the front chain ring and lock the derailleur. Replug the sensor and use zip ties to secure the wire. Don't over tighten.